It's 2 a.m., and Sarah is sitting on the edge of her bed, tears streaming down her face. Her feet are burning, like someone's holding a blowtorch to them. She hasn't slept properly in weeks. The tingling, the numbness, the electric shocks running through her legs. It's destroying her life. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. While medications like gabapentin or pregabalin can help manage symptoms, they often come with drowsiness, dizziness, and weight gain. And they don't actually heal your nerves, they just mask the pain. But what if I told you that nature has already provided 5 powerful foods that can actually help repair damaged nerves, reduce inflammation, and significantly decrease your neuropathy symptoms? Today, we're diving deep into the science-backed foods that have helped thousands of people find real relief from nerve pain. So if you're ready to discover how turmeric, ginger, flax seeds, B vitamins, and magnesium can transform your nerve health, stick with me. This could be the video that changes everything for you. Let's uncover this step by step. Segment 1. Turmeric, the Golden Healer. Meet James, a 54-year-old construction worker from Texas. For 3 years, he suffered from diabetic neuropathy so severe that he couldn't feel his feet touching the ground. He stumbled constantly, worried he'd lose his job. His doctor prescribed medication after medication, but nothing really worked. Then his wife read about turmeric's healing properties and convinced him to try something radical: golden milk every single night. James was skeptical. How could a spice help when prescription drugs couldn't, he thought. Here's why turmeric works. It contains curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. When nerves are damaged, inflammation surrounds them, amplifying pain signals and blocking healing. Curcumin directly reduces this inflammation at the cellular level. Practical takeaway. Start tonight with this simple recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in a cup of warm milk. Add honey for taste. Drink this every evening before bed. Give it at least 6 weeks. Nerve healing takes time, but it's worth it. Segment 2. Ginger, nature's pain reliever. Lisa, a 49-year-old nurse from Seattle, had neuropathy so bad that she'd wake up 3 or 4 times a night with leg cramps that made her cry. "I was exhausted all the time," she remembers. "I couldn't take care of my patients properly because I was so sleep-deprived." A colleague suggested she try fresh ginger tea twice daily. Lisa started brewing it religiously, morning and evening, using fresh grated ginger simmered for 10 minutes with a bit of cardamom and honey. Ginger contains gingerols and shogalls, compounds that work as natural COX-2 inhibitors. That's the same mechanism as prescription pain relievers like Celebrex, but without the cardiovascular risks. Here's your action step. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger, simmer it in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes, strain and add honey and lemon. Drink this twice daily, after breakfast and after dinner. Fresh ginger is key. Powdered ginger from your spice rack won't have the same potency. Segment 3. Flaxseeds, the Nerve Regenerator. After chemotherapy for breast cancer, Jennifer developed severe peripheral neuropathy. Her hands and feet felt numb and heavy, like they were encased in concrete. She said, "I couldn't hug my kids and actually feel them. I couldn't cook because I couldn't feel if something was hot or cold." Her oncologist warned her this might be permanent, but Jennifer refused to accept that. She started adding flax seeds to everything: smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads. 2 tablespoons twice daily, every single day without fail. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. Your nerve cells need these omega-3s to rebuild their protective coverings and repair damage. Crucial detail: you must grind flax seeds fresh. Whole seeds pass through your digestive system intact. You won't absorb the beneficial oils. Grind them in a coffee grinder and add 2 tablespoons to your morning smoothie or yogurt. Store ground flax seeds in your freezer to prevent the oils from going rancid.
Segment 4. B vitamins, the master rebuilders. David, a 61-year-old veteran, had neuropathy so severe he fell 3 times in 6 months. Walking felt like stepping on broken glass. He was terrified of ending up in a wheelchair. Then his neurologist ran comprehensive blood work and discovered something shocking. David's vitamin B12 levels were dangerously low, only 180 when normal is 200 to 900. The doctor explained that his neuropathy wasn't just from diabetes, it was largely from B12 deficiency, probably worsened by his diabetes medication, metformin. David started weekly B12 injections for 2 months, then daily B-complex supplements. He overhauled his diet: eggs every morning, salmon 3 times a week, fortified cereals, and even liver once a week despite hating the taste. B vitamins, specifically B1, B6, and B12, are absolutely essential for nerve function. B1 provides energy to nerve cells, B6 reduces inflammation and supports neurotransmitter production, and B12 repairs the myelin sheath that protects nerves. Segment 5. Magnesium, the nerve relaxer. Linda, a 55-year-old nurse, experienced constant muscle cramps and spasms so severe she'd wake up crying multiple times every night. Her 12-hour hospital shifts became torture as her legs would cramp up so badly she could barely walk. Blood work revealed magnesium deficiency. Her levels were significantly below normal. She started taking 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate every evening and added magnesium-rich foods: pumpkin seeds in her yogurt, spinach salads for lunch, almonds as snacks, and dark chocolate as her evening treat. Magnesium regulates nerve signal transmission by acting as a natural calcium channel blocker. When magnesium is low, nerves become hyperexcitable, firing too easily, causing tingling, burning, and cramping. Eat magnesium-rich foods daily: pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds, dark chocolate, quinoa, and black beans. Supplement with 400 to 500 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. It's the most absorbable form and won't cause digestive issues. Avoid magnesium oxide. It's poorly absorbed and mostly just causes diarrhea. Mini FAQ section. Question 1. How long does it take for these foods to work? Great question. Honestly, nerve healing isn't overnight. You'll likely notice subtle improvements around weeks 3 to 4, maybe less burning sensation or better sleep. By weeks 6 to 8, expect 30 to 50% pain reduction. Real nerve regeneration takes 3 to 6 months of consistent use. The key word here is consistent. Don't give up after 2 weeks. Question 2. Can these foods cure neuropathy completely? It depends on what caused your neuropathy. If it's from vitamin B deficiency, you can potentially achieve 60 to 80% complete recovery within 6 to 12 months. Early-stage diabetic neuropathy combined with good blood sugar control, maybe 40 to 60% complete recovery. Advanced nerve damage or chemotherapy-induced neuropathy, these foods won't cure it, but they can significantly improve symptoms and quality of life by 40 to 70%. Question 3. What if I'm already taking medication for neuropathy? These natural approaches work beautifully alongside medications like gabapentin or Lyrica. In fact, they often work synergistically, potentially allowing you to reduce medication doses over time, always under doctor supervision, of course. Just be cautious with high-dose turmeric or ginger if you're on blood thinners. Always inform your doctor about supplements you're taking. Question 4. Are these safe for diabetics? Absolutely. In fact, they're especially beneficial for diabetic neuropathy. Magnesium and flaxseeds help regulate blood sugar. Turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation, and B vitamins are often depleted by diabetes medications like metformin. Just monitor your blood sugar carefully, as these natural approaches may enhance your medication's effects, potentially requiring dose adjustments. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Turmeric with black pepper reduces inflammation and protects nerves. Use golden milk nightly. Fresh ginger tea acts as a natural pain reliever and improves circulation. Drink twice daily. Ground flax seeds provide omega-3s that repair nerve membranes. Add 2 tablespoons twice daily. B vitamins-rich foods plus supplements support nerve energy, repair, and regeneration. Magnesium-rich foods plus glycinate supplements calm overactive nerves and prevent cramping. Will it cure everyone? No, honesty matters. But even 40 to 50% improvement could mean sleeping through the night, walking without constant pain, and reclaiming activities you love. Your nerves didn't get damaged overnight, and they won't heal overnight. But with patience, consistency, and these 5 powerful foods, you can experience real improvement. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps more people discover these natural solutions. Subscribe to Health Morph for more science-backed health tips that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 foods are you going to start with today? Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Invest in it wisely. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hopeful, and keep healing naturally.